Abby and I chose Google Classroom for our learning management system for classroom use.
When you first create your classroom on Google Classroom, you'll provide a code to your students so that they can join your classroom. This will also give them the access to view the materials and assignments that you've posted, and the teacher can also individually invite the students to the classroom.
When posting announcements, the teachers can send reminders about upcoming events and important classroom details. With the posting of the announcement, they can add pictures, links, or more to the announcements to provide greater detail for students' understanding.
They can also share important resources on the announcement. This can include Word documents from your Google Drive, YouTube videos, and different website links.
For the posting of a question, teachers can post questions to the actual classroom. Students can reply to the question through a given response that the teacher has assigned. These responses can vary from multiple choice options or written response. They can also include links for questions to guide students' understanding, and teachers can also see the number of students that have or have not responded to the questions.
With the posting of a question, teachers can also allow students to view their peers' answers and responses.
With the assignment postings, teachers can create and post assignments to keep organized through a one-stop shop on Google Classroom to access all assignments and announcements. They can attach assignments and reading passages for students to extend their learning from the classroom.
As an extension to your Google Classroom, you will also be provided with the option to grade all individual assignments per each student. You are also given the option to assign designated points that you want each assignment to be worth, and this will also be an opportunity for your students to keep up with your feedback.
Within Google Classroom, you can create multiple classes that cover multiple content areas that you are discussing in the classroom. For example, we have created 2 content areas. One is technology, and you can see the assignments and listings of the assignments on the box. And we have also created a social studies content for students to keep track of that details.
For our first standard, we chose to focus on the ISTE Teacher Standard 1D. This emphasizes that teachers can communicate with their students' fellow teachers in a virtual classroom. Through this, they can focus on sharing knowledge with one another, and the teacher also has the opportunity to invite fellow teachers to their classroom.
Our second standard that we chose was the ISTE Student Standard 2A. With this standard, students can collaborate with peers by replying to posts from questions and assignments that were given to them.